structure. So what is the main use of file structure means in order to access the data, in order to store the data, in order to retrieve the data in efficient manner, we are using the file system structure. So every most of the every operating system using this layered approach only. So these are the different layers in this file system structure, like application programs, logical file system, file organization module, basic file system, IO control, and devices. So this is the topmost layer, and this is the beneath layer or below layer, that is devices. We will see what is the main purpose of using these layers. So first one is an application programs. So application programs means whatever the user written program, so that program we are calling as an application program. For example, user will write a C program. So C program is an application program. It may be audio, video, whatever the user program, that program you are calling as an application program. So this application program will give the file name as input to the logical file system. So it gives the file name of that particular file is as input to the logical file system. So now what is the purpose of logical file system means it takes the file name as input and it checks in the directory whether that particular file is present in the directory or not. If it is present, then it finds the logical block number of that particular file. So logical block number means it gives the where the file is present, means the block number it gives. We already discussed in the hard disk, in the disk it will be stored like a blocks. In the blocks we are storing the files, in the files we are having the records. So logical file system will find the logical block number of that particular file, in which block that particular file will be present. So this logical block number will as input to the file organization. So what is the purpose of file organization module means it takes logical block number as input and finds the physical block number of that particular file. Physical block number means whether that in physical block number means it will gives the exact location of the file, whereas logical block number means it gives the particular block. So in the so and so block that particular file will be present, but whereas in the case of physical block it gives the exact location. So and so position, so and so place that particular file will be present. So this will be input to the basic file system. So now the basic file system will receive physical block number as input and it gives commands to the device drivers. So how it gives the commands means, for example, is the physical block number is 123. The physical block number is 123. So in this particular number, what are the operations we are performing? We are read 123 and write 123. So these are the operations we are performing. So these commands will be given to the IO controller. So everyone knows for every IO controller we are having the device drivers. So by using these device drivers, they can interact with the hardware devices. What are the hardware devices we are having? Like a keyboard, like a printer, hard disk, whatever it may be. So by using these device drivers, they can interact with the devices. That tells to the devices means you have to do this operation, you have to do this operation. So they can send read 123 means in that keyboard we are performing read operation, we are reading that particular block, that particular file, as well as writing that particular file. So in this way one layer will be interlinked with the another layer. So that's why we are calling as an layered structure. So in this particular layered structure, upper layer will be give as input to the next layer. So next layer will be given input to the another layer. So in this way one layer will be interlinked with the another layer. So this is about the file system structure. So simply we can say that application program means whatever the user written program, example is C file. So next range of the logical file system means it takes the file number and it finds the particular file whether it is present or not. If present, then it finds the logical block. Logical block number means in that particular block file is present. Okay, and this will be given input to the file organization module. So what the file organization module will do, it finds the physical block number, means it gives the exact location of the file. And next basic file system work is it gives an input to the basic file system, means it gives an commands to the device drivers. So by using these device drivers they can interact with the devices. So by using these devices you can perform that particular operation, whether read or write, whatever the operations you can perform. Thank you.